크로니지와 hello. Hi. So sorry. I don't know what happened. Yeah, hello. So sorry about that. I don't know why I'm so jet lagged. That's the thing. I don't get it. Why am I so jet lagged? It's weird. It's crazy. I've never had like this much difficulty. Who am I kidding? I did, but it's crazy. So where's our compensation? Okay, in return, I won't sass too much with your questionable sense of fashion. I won't give you too much shade. You like the sass. I mean, I don't know. I don't want to be too mean. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something. I remember now. Welcome to the world of Eve.